Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have the most incredible 1965 GTO I have ever seen. 3 owners. The original owner owned this car up until 2016. Until he passed away. And then the second owner owned it for a few years, then he passed away. And now my client owns it. He's owned it for a couple of years also. It is the nicest one I've ever seen. Finished in Burgundy, black interior, 389 tri-power. The documents are insane on this car. Original window sticker. We have tons of photos of him. The motor is also rebuilt with 100 miles on it. Protecto plate, PHS. Super correct car. Paint shows like it's brand new, but it's literally like 30 years old. I like when cars were built back in the day because they don't have junky Japanese replacement parts. Push button radio, 4-speed transmission, seat belts, another option. Still retains its T3s up front, all 4 of them. Gorgeous paint, chrome, stainless. Rallye sitting on red lines. Pop the hood for you. Oh, just gonna pause you for a second. Look at that. 389 with tri-power, power steering. All the chalk marks, the stickers everywhere. I have never seen one like this. Incredible. Just insane. All the correct padding under here as well. This is a reproduction of the sticker, but we have the original. 4-speed, 389, tri-power, dual exhaust, chrome air cleaners, push button radio, washer and wiper, deluxe wheel covers, backup lamps, fan clutch, seat belts, metallic brake linings, and the Saf-T-Track rear, which is a Posi rear. Look at this interior. Man, what a showpiece. It's beautiful. Look at these seat belts. This car belongs in a museum. Runs and drives. Fantastic. Beautiful package tray. Headliner. Everything works. $33,902 miles. That is original. Keys on the left like a Porsche. Oh! It's funny. Yeah, it starts up like a brand new car. Oh, radio works. So pretty. Gorgeous dash. This is definitely a restoration guideline, this car. Look at this console. I have never seen one so nice. I think these seats are original too. You can tell by the material and the way it's done. color is beautiful too. Jeez. Tact turn down exhaust tips. Wow. It's not getting any nicer. Original sills as well. It just has that finish on it. Original door panels. You can tell by the piling on this. Can't reproduce that. Felts in the doors too, original. Man, so pretty. Beautiful under here too. It's got all the correct hoses and clamps. See all these tower clamps? This has got to be the nicest one on the planet, literally. You can also tell how fresh this motor is. It's got 100 miles on it. What a car. Even in the door jamb, look at this. Just incredible. Brand new. Rear view mirrors too. Not a replacement part. Man, awesome. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call. It's a very special piece here, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Smash that subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.